Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So I picked this distributor up at a local auto parts store. I'm not saying anything, but I mean, so the description for this says that it also has TEC, so Tokyo Electric Company electronic parts in there. So we'll see. That's what the last distributor said, but the last distributor didn't, the thing broke. It couldn't even spin. We didn't even get a chance to start it up. Anyways, let's open it up, see how it looks like. Wrapped in some bubble wrap. Comes in a Ziploc. Ain't that something? Alright. So this stuff does come with a cap on the, I guess, the little tooth thing. I mean, if you guys want, I'll record. You know what, yeah. Yeah, let's be honest, guys. There's really not much to this. It's just 3 screws. Plenty of videos on the internet on how to put this thing on. So basically, I'm gonna pop this top off. So I'm just gonna put a little oil around the ring. At least that's what's been said on the internet to keep it from leaking. How best can I do this? From the dipstick. Alright, that should be good. A little bit around the ring. Clean my little finger off. Gonna line this up. There's only really one way it'll go in. And there we go. It's in. And then one of the other checks I like to see, had issue with the other ones, make sure this thing actually can clip on. So it's gonna be like this. Fingers crossed. Yes. Now all we gotta do is just put the bolts in. I'm gonna put 2 in. Alright, so according to the internet, firing order is 1, 3, 4, 2. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, this long one. Put it down here. 3. 4. It's gonna be. Wait a minute. 1, 3. Look at this. 1, 3. Goes right here. 4. That makes number 2 go down here. So yeah. Alright. Moment of truth, y'all. We're gonna see if this thing fires up. 10, 10. Batteries in. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Now, but we have to set the timer. Alright guys, so it's up to regular idle, so we're gonna set the timing. Timing is pretty easy, guys. You got your timing gun. I have this one where like you can actually set it to so it's gonna be 16. You can either set it at 16 or shoot it at 0. So if you set it at, if you shoot it at 0, then you'll have to go off the 3 little marks down there. But if you set it to 16, then you just go off the TDC mark. I'm just gonna set it to 16. So you want to take this, I mean there's plenty of videos, I'm not gonna really go over it, guys. You could just watch me do it. Go. Right there, where we want to be. Right here is where we are going to be. We're going to lock it in place. One last check. Yes. Alright guys, I'll lock this bad boy in place. We're going to go for a drive. That's it. Call it a day. And that's it.